The future of chairside care is here. Edge Mini, the 3D printer built for modern clinics. One touch unlocks digital simplicity with an intuitive interface and guidance at every step. Trusted engineering, instant creation. Compact in size, unlimited in possibilities. Transforming your chairside workflow today, lighting the way for tomorrow's dentistry. A large platform, optimized for 2 full-arch surgical guides. Smaller cases, switch plates with one touch, while maintaining precision. The software anticipates needs, so your workflow stays seamless. One touch, from design to print, fully automated. One touch. Achieve accurate outcomes with a single press. Precision Light Curing delivers consistent, high-quality results. Preheated platform ensures perfect adhesion. 35 micrometers resolution. Every detail revealed. Create more than 20 different molds with the Edge Mini, from same-day crowns to surgical guides to splints. Featuring a one-touch magnetic resin tank capable of producing fixed hybrid dentures in just 20 minutes for immediate patient fittings. This is Edge Mini, the accessible future, now in your practice. Instant smiles, one touch away.